Hello and welcome to Be a Great Manager. I host Be a Great Manager on a system called Skool, which is a brilliant system. However, it's still relatively unknown, even though it has over 18 million users, which is insane. I thought I'd just give you a quick guided tour. When you first log into my community, you'll see Be a Great Manager at the top. If you join any other communities, you can use these arrows to switch between the communities that you join. The great thing about Skool is every community works in the same way. So you're not going to join another community and it be completely different. The layout is the same. Obviously the content is different, but the layout remains the same. So you have a community. Here is kind of like your Facebook post. I guess that's the easiest way to describe it. Works in exactly the same way. A post is put up. There may be a video in there. There may be a poster. There may be a poll. You can like it. You can also leave a comment and then other people can comment on your comments. So it's really easy and a really interactive way to be part of the group. And it's a really good way to engage with other like-minded people because essentially when you join a community, that's what you're looking for. So it's a great way to do that. The second part is the classroom. This is where the courses live. Now the courses vary and they're growing. You can see there's one in draft at the moment, banging team meetings. The courses vary in different lengths. They have different content. They will be grown over time. But this is where your courses are. Some of the courses are included in the free model. Others you need to pay either to join a community or pay one-off prices to get access to them. But that is very clear. When you go to on the course, it will tell you exactly whether you can have it there and then or you need to pay for it. And again, this is the same across any of the communities here on Skool. Then we have the calendar, where a calendar of events will be. I've got an event coming up next Tuesday. That's detailed here. And when you open it, it will give you the details of it and it will tell you what the event is for, how long the event's going to be, and where it's going to be. So it's in there. Then you've got members. So once you get into it, you can have a look at the other members within the group already. I won't open that. That's not fair on the members that are already in there. But it means that you can engage really easy with other members of the group. And again, this is about working and growing with like-minded people. The great thing about Skool is it encourages engagement. So the more you engage in a community, you build points, and those points can unlock other resources, other courses, and depending on what community you're in, it can unlock other things. So it's a really great way. So you can see where you are in the leaderboard. And if you're a competitive person, this is exactly where you need to be. And then you have the about page, which is a bit more about me and the group, and I'll be adding to that over time as well. So that is your whistle-stop tour of Skool. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions at all, let me know. Thank you so much.